Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the last day of Vlogmas. I'm so excited that we made it to this point. I have big news. Let's hope that I get to tell you guys today. If not, I will for sure let you know at the end of this video what that big news is. So today is going to be like a travel day. I'm going to spend the holidays with my partner's family, so we're going to head down there later today. I thrifted this thing. I'm going to show you guys. It is so cute. Is it not like super cute? And I want to make it into a charcuterie board. I think I'm just gonna pick some lemons because I also want to take them some lemons. We have a huge lemon tree and it produces tons of lemons. So I think I'm gonna pick a bag of lemons to take there. We're gonna take tamales and all that great stuff. So